Are you wondering what warranties you should look for in a new roof in Hickory, North Carolina? Understanding the different types of roof warranties can help protect your investment and ensure long-term performance. First, consider a manufacturer's warranty. This covers defects in the roofing materials and typically ranges from 20 to 50 years. Next, look for a workmanship warranty provided by the roofing contractor, covering installation errors for 1 to 10 years. A system warranty offered by some manufacturers covers both materials and installation when performed by certified contractors. Extended warranties offer additional coverage beyond the standard manufacturer's warranty and can extend the duration of protection. Given Hickory's varied weather conditions, a weather damage warranty covering wind, hail, and severe storms can be valuable. Finally, a transferable warranty can be transferred to a new homeowner if you sell your house, increasing its value. When evaluating warranties, understand the coverage details, warranty duration, maintenance requirements, claim process, and any exclusions or limitations. If you have any issues with your roof or it's getting older, reach out to RoofWorks to book a free roof inspection today.